Hello everyone and welcome back to Post Network Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in Data Science and AI lecture series I will discuss fundamental principle of counting. This principle is the foundation of many problems in combinatorics, probability and data science, AI and machine learning. So let's get started. So let us understand what is the fundamental principle of counting. So if one event can occur in m ways and another event can occur in n ways, then two events together can occur in m into n ways. And this is the fundamental principle of counting. And we will see the examples. So this principle can be extended to multiple events. For example, if there are three events, so total ways for a three events is m into n into p. Basically, principle is widely used in problems involving arrangements and selections. For example, Mohan has three pants, namely P1, P2, P3, and two shirts. So, for each pant, there are two choices of shirts. So, total combinations are 3 into 2. And these combinations are, you can see that P1S1, that is first combination, P1S2, second, P2S1, that is again third combination, P2S2, and P3S1, P3S2. So there are 6 combinations. You can also see by a diagram because each pant is connected to both sides. Arrows represent the possible pairings between pants and shirts. So total combinations 3 into 2, that is 6. Now Sabnam's school supplies. So Sabnam has two school bags. This is another example. Three tiffin boxes and two water bottles. So for each school bag there are three choices of tiffin boxes. So for each pair of school bag and tiffin box, there are two choices of water bottles. Again, for each pair of school bag and tiffin box, there are two choices of water bottles. So total combinations 2 into 3 into 2, that are 12. Now let us see letter from rows. So to form 4 letter words with rows, there is no repetition. So first letter, 4 choices. If you want to form a letter using ROSC, that has meaning or not? This is the problem. So first letter has 4 choices. So first position is filled. Second letter has 3 choices. Third, 2 choices. Fourth, 1 choice. So total words 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. There are 24 words you can make using rows. Let us see fourth example. If 4 flags of different colors are available, so first flag 4 choices, second flag 3 choices, and there is no repetition. So total signals you can make that are 4 into 3, that are 12. So this was fundamental principle of counting, and this is a very important concept in many problems. And that's wrap for today's lesson on the fundamental principle of counting. Hope you now have a better understanding of how this principle works and how you can apply it to various problems in combinatorics, data science, machine learning, and AI. For more resources like quiz, PDF, And videos post, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. For a videos and playlist, you can visit YouTube channel. For a post and videos, you can visit Facebook page, and you can also follow LinkedIn page of Post Network Academy. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.